In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Signal account on Android. Begin first by opening up your Signal app. My Signal app is on my home screen. I'm just going to tap on it to open it. Once Signal has opened, tap on the three vertical dots at the top right hand corner, then tap on Settings. In your settings, tap on Account. In your account, look all the way to the bottom and tap on Delete Account. Signal lets you know deleting your account will delete your account info and profile photo, delete all your messages. If you're okay with this and want to proceed with the deletion of your Signal account, then you'll need to enter your phone number below. First, select the country that your mobile number is associated with. So I'm just going to tap on the drop down arrow here, and my number is +1, which is the USA, so I'm just going to tap on United States. Once you've selected your mobile phone number's region or country, you'll need to enter the phone number. So I'm just going to tap on the box here and I'm going to type in my mobile number. Just bear with me as I type this in. And there we go, I've typed it in. All that's left to do now is to tap on Delete Account. Signal will then ask you for a final time, are you sure you want to delete your account? This will delete your Signal account and reset the application. The app will close after the process is complete. If you don't want to delete your account, just tap on Cancel. If you want to proceed with the deletion, tap on Delete Account. Signal will then delete your account. If I now tap on the Signal app to open it, you can see I'm no longer logged into my account as my account has been deleted. And that pretty much concludes this short video on how to delete your Signal account on Android. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let you go?